swaying trees. Simple blessings fill the day, guiding every step we take. When our hearts are open wide, love becomes the turning tide. Hear the drums awaken hope, feel the river gently flow. Every soul was made to shine, rooted deep through space and time. Everything we share will grow, like the rivers to the sea. Every act of love we offer sets another spirit free. Hand in hand we'll keep believing, through the calm and through the rain. Hope becomes our strongest shelter, love will bloom again. Golden horns greet every sunrise, painting light across the land. Ancient rhythms carry wisdom, passed from heart to heart by hand. No division can define us when compassion leads the way. Seeds of peace become a harvest, brighter with each day. Naya bingi drums and details carry the groove right there. Echo repeats the final vocal phrases. Come together, keep believing. Love is rising, never leaving. One heartbeat, one rhythm, final. Everything we share will flourish, like the forest after rain. Every dream that's planted kindly will return again. Lift your voice and light begins to grow. Every step becomes a blessing. Every winding path we know. Though the night may test our courage, though the storms may hide the way, faith is planted like a mountain, standing strong through every day. Hear the ancient rhythm calling, feel it beating in your soul. Every breath becomes a promise, every heart can be made whole. Guided by the morning light, walking through the darkest night, hope will lead us hand in hand, growing stronger as we stand. Lift your spirit, don't surrender. Let compassion lead the way. Every sunrise brings another chance to build a brighter day. Warm brass voices greet the morning, floating softly through the air. Nyabingi drums keep speaking, healing hearts through every prayer. Plant the seeds of peace and justice, water them with truth and grace. Love will grow beyond the borders, lighting every hidden place. forward ever. When the evening paints the shoreline and the golden daylight fades, I can hear the breeze reminding every heart that love remains. Every burden finds the ocean, every worry drifts away. Peace arrives with quiet footsteps, bringing hope at close of day. Ancient rhythm softly calling through the moonlit silver skies. Every heartbeat keeps believing love will always rise. Rest beneath the stars tonight, let your spirit breathe. Every dream can find its wings like the dancing leaves. Hold my hand through every season, walk this road with me. Hope becomes our destination, love will set us free. Golden horns embrace the silence, floating gently through the air. Nyaya bingi drums keep speaking, healing hearts with every prayer. No tomorrow comes with promise unless kindness lights the way. Every act of grace and mercy builds a brighter day. One heartbeat, one rhythm, stand together, keep believing, love forever, growing stronger. Rest beneath the stars forever, fear has no control. Peace becomes the strongest shelter for every searching soul. Lift your eyes beyond the darkness, see the coming dawn. Hope is written in tomorrow, love keeps moving on. One love, one light, one rhythm, one tomorrow. Fade into the dawn. Ocean breeze across my face, morning sun a slower pace. Every wave reminds my soul, simple moments softly in the breeze. Every mountain hides a pathway, waiting past the tallest trees. Though the world may test our courage, though the nights may seem so long, hope is planted deep within us, growing steady, growing strong. Hear the river keep on flowing, hear the ancient drums reply. Faith is stronger than the shadows, lift your spirit to the sky. Beyond the blue horizon, a brighter day awaits. Every dream begins with courage, every heart creates. Stand together, keep believing, never let the fire fade. Love will guide tomorrow's journey, step by step we've made. Golden horns announce the morning, calling every soul to rise. Truth is written in compassion, not in power or disguise. Plant the seeds of understanding, water them with honest hands. Peace becomes a living forest, growing strong across the land. Rise together, stand forever. Hope is growing, shine. Every breath becomes a blessing. Every moment is divine. Though the winds may shake the branches, roots grow deeper in the ground. Faith becomes our steady compass, where true peace is always found. Hear the drums awaken, calling every heart. Love becomes the answer, every journey starts. Shelter in the light, hope within our hands. Standing side by side, together we will stand. When the storms surround us, we won't lose our way. Love will guide tomorrow, brighter every day. Ancient voices cross the valleys, echo through the evening air. Golden horns proclaim compassion, breaking every chain of fear. Every child deserves a future filled with dignity and grace. Let our kindness be remembered, written on the human race. Hold the fire, keep believing. Peace is growing, never leaving. Shelter in the light, every soul belongs. Hope becomes the rhythm, love becomes the song. Lift your hands together, see the new sunrise. Every act of mercy opens hopeful skies. One heartbeat, one rhythm, one people, one love. Forward together, forward together. One love, forward together. Like the morning finds the sea, your gentle heart keeps calling me. Through every season, near or far, you remind me who we are. No silver, no crown of gold, only stories love has told. Patient hands and faithful eyes hold the strength that never dies. When the winds steady. The mountains high, yet our hearts stay ready. Storm clouds gather, but they always move. Truth keeps dancing in the roots we prove. Every sunrise writes another page. Wisdom grows with every age. We plant our dreams in faithful ground. Soon enough they'll all be found. Hear the voices calling across the hills and seas. Strength is born together like the roots beneath the tree. Still we rise, still believing. Every dawn begins anew. Hope is stronger than the shadows. Faith will always pull us through. Lift your spirit, keep on walking. Don't let fear decide your way. Every heart that beats with kindness builds a brighter day. Golden horns announce the morning, echo through the open skies. Ancient drums awaken courage, keeping every dream alive. No wall stands forever, no darkness owns the light. When we walk beside each other, justice comes in sight. Stand firm, hold on, keep the fire moving on. One love, one people, rise higher together. Still we rise, still believing. Nothing steals the hope we've grown. Every act of love and mercy makes this world feel more like home. Still we rise with every heartbeat. Every voice becomes a flame. Standing strong for peace and justice, together we proclaim. Still we rise, still we rise. One rhythm, one future, one love. Morning paints the hills with gold. Every heartbeat brave and bold. Cool breeze dancing through the trees, carrying songs across the seas. Every smile can light a flame. Every soul can make a change. One small act of kindness shared shows the whole world someone cared. Hear the rivers softly flow. Every seed begins to grow. Lift your eyes beyond the field. A brighter future's drawing near. Golden morning rising, shining through the clouds. Hope becomes a melody, singing clear and loud. Every heart united, every dream set free. Love becomes the answer for every family. Ancient drums begin to speak, giving strength unto the weak. Golden horns answer the call. Hope has room enough for all. No division, no disguise. Truth is written in our eyes. Hand in hand we cross the tide, keeping faith our constant guide. Rise together, walk in mercy. Keep believing, stand in unity. Golden morning rising, every shadow fades. Love becomes a shelter through life's changing days. Golden morning rising, shining ever bright, with compassion in our footsteps, we'll become the light. One sunrise, one rhythm, one people, one love, forward together. Sunrise sprays the city gold. Stories are waiting to be told. Every smile can spark a flame. Every heart can make a change. Step by step we're moving on, holding hope from dusk till dawn. Through the laughter, through the tears, love grows stronger through the years. Hear the voices rising high, like the birds across the sky. Every heartbeat finds its way, teach the spirit how to fly. Seeds of justice slowly bloom, even through the darkest gloom. Hands united, hearts alive. Leave the weight of hate behind. Keep believing. Stand. Keep revealing. Love is the answer. Now and forever. Truth never sleeps. The light remains. After every storm has passed, sunshine follows rain. Raise every banner, not built on pride, but compassion, hope, and truth inside. Truth never sleeps. The future calls. Together we keep standing. Together we never fall. One rhythm, one heartbeat, one future, one love. Morning paints the open sky. Golden colors shining high. Hand in hand we cross the years, trading courage for our fears. Every step becomes a prayer. Hope is rising everywhere. Love is more than words can say. Growing stronger every day. Hear the rhythm, feel it flow. Like the river steady grows. Every heartbeat finds its place, wrapped inside amazing grace. Carry the light together through the sunshine and the rain. Nothing breaks the bond we're building. Love will always still remain. Carry the light forever. Lift each soul along the way. With one heart and one direction, we'll welcome a brighter day. people, one tomorrow. Oh, from the dust we learn to rise, dreaming underneath wide open skies. Every heartbeat tells a story, every soul is born for glory. Though the road is long and steep, we protect the hope we keep. Like the sunrise after rain, love returns again and again. Hear the drums across the hills, feel the strength the spirit builds. Hand in hand we walk as one toward the light of a brand new sun. Raise the morning sky, let your spirit fly, lift your voice so high, hope will never die. Stand together strong, every heart belongs, love will lead us on until a brighter dawn. Until a brighter dawn. Ancient wisdom lights the flame. Every child deserves a name. Every neighbor, every land can be healed by open hands. Golden horns begin to sing. Freedom grows in everything. Seeds of kindness, seeds of peace, help the chains of fear release. Keep believing, keep revealing. Peace is growing, love is flowing. Raise the morning sky, leave the fear behind. Every step we take plants a better time. Raise the morning sky, hope will never fade. Together we become the future that we made. The future that we made. The horns keep calling through the breeze, the drums keep speaking to the sea. One rhythm, one people, one tomorrow. Morning breaks beyond the mountain line. Truth is shining with the rising sun. Every scar becomes a lesson learned. Every heartbeat says the race ain't done. The wind still carries ancient songs, calling every soul to stand as one. No chain can hold a faithful heart. Freedom lives where love is sung. Hear the drums across the valley, echoes reaching every shore. Lift your eyes beyond the struggle. Tomorrow's knocking at your door. Rise again, don't lose your fire. Hope is stronger than the night. Stand together, lift each other. Every soul becomes alive. Rise again, with hearts unbroken. Let compassion lead the way. When we walk in truth together, love will bring a brighter day. Golden horns begin to answer, rolling through the evening air. Every promise planted deeply finds new life with patient care. No surrender to the darkness, keep the flame forever bright. One united generation, turning shadows into light. Echoes roll across creation, voices rising, spirits free. Every heartbeat tells the story. Hope becomes our destiny. Rise again, keep moving forward. Faith will never fade away. Hand in hand, we'll build tomorrow. One more sun